My name is James Hitchin. I'm the VP of Alliance Management at BioAscent Discovery. My role at BioAscent Discovery involves working at the interface between the clients and the scientific teams and operational teams within the business. I work with all stakeholders across the business to ensure quality of delivery and consistency of delivery for our clients. My role is quite varied in terms of the tasks in which I'm involved, so on a day-to-day basis it can change considerably. Some days I'm working quite closely with clients to develop creative deals to allow us to deploy expertise, experience, skills, services in a way that enables them to move their projects forward. Equally, on other days I'm working internally across the teams or with the senior management team to think about the overarching strategy for the business and how we can help the business move forward, continue to be successful and service its clients in an ever-changing kind of world of drug discovery. I've always had a fascination with science and chose to study chemistry at the University of Sheffield. I had the opportunity as well to take a year in industry as part of that programme, worked for Roche Pharmaceuticals in the development of a number of drugs that are still used today, including oseltamivir. That kind of further consolidated my interest in science. I took a PhD in chemistry at the University of Liverpool. I was keen then to get back into industry and work in the big pharmaceutical sector. I did that with Pfizer and then took opportunities to work in a variety of different roles in chemistry and drug discovery, including Cancer Research UK and more recently within the CRO sector. I'm very passionate about people, building teams, helping businesses achieve their potential and also working with clients ultimately to deliver new medicines to patients in need. I've had quite a varied journey in terms of my career. I've worked across the entire spectrum of drug discovery, from target validation, target identification, all the way through to GMP manufacture for first-in-man clinical trials. I think throughout that journey, I've learned a lot about the different ways in which you can approach drug discovery, the different lenses through which you can see the problem based on the expertise that's required at different stages within the journey. Equally as well, working within the CRO sector and servicing clients and the projects that they have, I think all of that allows me to kind of bring a unique perspective in a way that enables them to see things perhaps that they haven't seen themselves, opportunities, challenges, and how to consolidate that in a way that enables them to move forward towards their goals. During the course of my career, I've been incredibly fortunate to work with incredibly talented people at a variety of different companies, different businesses. This has given me great opportunities to grow and develop, and this is marked by achievements in terms of publications, patents, drugs that continue to move towards the clinic and patients in need. Equally as well, my experience and my kind of expertise has put me in a position where I've had the opportunity to grow and develop businesses, to help shape and develop individuals and move them forward in their own career journeys. And being able to see them grow and develop and flourish in their own way is a great kind of source of pride, not just for them of course, but for me in terms of the small impact I've had in terms of helping them move forward to achieve their ambitions. The ambition of most scientists working in drug discovery is to be a part of a project team that ultimately delivers novel therapeutic agents to patients in need. That is a dream that many kind of are chasing, but very few are able to ultimately achieve within their career. So being able to work with so many clients within the CRO sector for a company like BioAscent Discovery, it gives you a much better chance to be a part of a successful journey that ultimately takes compounds into clinic and be an important part of that journey in terms of the knowledge, the expertise that we can deliver to facilitate that process and ultimately help patients in need. So that's the overarching ambition and dream. We have almost 100 staff at BioAscent, 80 of which are scientists and client-facing in terms of the roles that they're responsible for. In terms of the services that the teams provide, they can be standalone services across chemistry, bioscience, compound management, but increasingly what we're seeing is integrated services where we bring those teams together and give you the collective intelligence and the benefit of the different kind of expertise that the combination of those skill sets can offer in terms of moving integrated projects forward towards the clinic.